So let's start the second session of the node. So today we are going to learn the data types in the node. So let's take the new application here. So this is my app2.js. So always you remember you have to take the .js file, okay, while you create the application for the node. So now see, normally there are two data types are there. Basically one is the your primitive data type and second is the non-primitive data type. So remember this word, the first one is, I told you here you have one is the primitive, okay, primitive data types, and the second one is a non-primitive data types. There is another word for non-primitive is reference type also. So what are the primitive data types? So you know that in other programming languages we have integer. So in the JavaScript technology like node we use number, then we have string, so node number string, then boolean, okay, boolean. These are the your primitive data type. And in the non-primitive data type we can consider the concept of the array, date, then you have a main data type which is called as the object. So what is the object, that we'll discuss in upcoming sessions, don't worry. So there are two types basically, primitive and non-primitive. So let's understand with example. There are few more advanced data types are there that we'll cover in upcoming sessions. So here suppose I have a variable name 1. If I enter my name now Rahul, so you can check the data type here, console dot log, and you can use type of name 1. Check the output. So here is the node, you can type, and your application name app2.js. so check the data type. Yeah, this is the string. Okay, so here as I told you string, so this is the string data type. So now you maybe there is a question, sir, you have not declared any type here. So in JavaScript it will take the data type automatically as per your content. So now let's take an example, name 1 equal to 101 is my student ID example, console dot log. So here just you can type this line again and check the output, node app2.js. so see, this is the number now. Okay, similarly you can take the one more example. If I assign the true value, which is a boolean value, boolean means true or false, and you can check the data type again. So here you will get the data type now boolean. So as per your input, your variable can change the data type automatically. So it detects the data type dynamically as per the value. Please remember this. Okay, so you have a data type string, number, boolean, and these are comes into the primitive data type category. So these are the primitive data type category. Now the next type I told you, there is a data type of array. Okay, there is a data type of the objects. So there are few more data types are there. Okay, so I can show you with the example. See, suppose if I want to declare a date data type. So suppose the date 1 is equal to new is equal to date, like this you can create the date here. So this concept is called as object also in Java programming or in other programming languages. So here console dot log, and then you can check type of date 1. Check the data type for this line. So here is the app2.js. Look at this, the data type is here object. So what is the object concept, that I will discuss in upcoming session. So object is a very important topic. Okay, so that will discuss, but you remember here this is one of the data type here. Now next, suppose if I declare the ARR is equal to, and okay, suppose 10, 20, 30 and 40. If you check the data type for this line, look at this, here is the ARR, type of ARR. So let's see what is the result. Compile your code. Look at this again, object is there. So object is one of the very important data type. So basically this is also called as a reference type. Why? Because when you create this object, this is the reference variable. I'll show you some pictorial format. Okay, suppose if I open here paint. So let's understand this, what happened when you write this line, why we call reference type or a non-primitive data type. So when you say array, so the array has allocated memory like this. So the array concept we are going to learn, okay, in few sessions. So suppose right now I have insert 4 values in the array, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are my array value. So the array concept we'll discuss again, I'm telling you, in detail in upcoming sessions. So this is index 1, index 2, index 3. These are my index in the array, okay, and your values are like 10. Your values are 10, then there is a value is 20, okay, value is 20, value is 30, okay, let's understand, value 30 and the value is 40. For this memory, this entire memory, this whatever the memory you have allocated, for this memory you have a name here which is called as ARR. So this name is here, this name ARR. So this name will point this memory, therefore this is called as reference variable. This name does not hold any value directly. This name hold kind of address, but that address you can't visible here. So this variable will hold the reference of this area. So therefore this is called as a reference variable. Okay, so this is the way. There are two basic data type I told you. One is the primitive data type and second is the non-primitive data type. So please you can check this video again. I'll share this code on my GitHub account, so you can try these examples. Okay, so with the data types like we are going to use in our upcoming sessions. Okay, so for this video now I'll stop here. Just I told you basic two types, primitive type and reference type. So please go through this. Thank you.